I'm so excited to receive new packages, and today I received Turkish coffee maker with overflow prevention. So now my coffee will never run away again. And now I'm unpacking and I'm so excited to try it. By the way, my parents had the same, so I know how it works, and now I have it. And this little thing will help with overflow, so it's never run away. Of course, I bought in addition the Turkish coffee for great smell and taste, and now I'm ready to brew it. And it will be done in 10-15 seconds, and now I can enjoy a great tasty coffee.